Zay's, how old are you?
3.
Oh, you're Chucky, huh? Zay's is gonna be Chucky for Halloween. That's why she still has the paint on her face. Don't mind that. And you? Baby? What were you?
5.
You're 5, but what about for Halloween?
I'm gonna be a cat.
Kitty cat, huh? Your costume came out so cute.
You Chucky. Bye.
She wants to be a spider now. It's okay.
I'm gonna buy you. I did. Just kidding.
What?
Why you look at me like that?
You guys are wild.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh, focus. What's up, you guys? So we are starting a new vlog right now. We are here right now. We just got to the pumpkin patch, as you can tell by the title. And it took us forever to find a parking. We came on the wrong day. We came on a Sunday. Get the keys?
I was tired like 100 minutes.
Like 100 minutes, huh? Yes. Who's excited? Oh, we almost fell. Yeah. You still have a little bit of makeup on from your Halloween costume from yesterday. Whee! Here's the pumpkin patch way over there. You guys, parking was horrible, huh, baby?
No.
Parking was horrible.
No.
Cool.
Need to kick off your shoes. Gotta take a deep breath. Time to focus on you. All the big fights, long nights that you've been through. I got a bottle of tequila I've been saving for you.
Cause he better know my worth. There's so much that I deserve, but I ain't worried now. I'ma let my head down. He been trying up and not today. So girl, if he don't love you anymore,
Then walk your fine ass out the door and do your head toss. Check my nails, baby, how you feeling? Head toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling? Head toss, check my nails, baby, how you
Zay. Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Oh, Ariel! Ariel!
Go. Mama, help Sissy. Help Sissy.
I don't think she's able to do it.
You forgot.
Push Sissy up.
You might have to go in there.
Maybe. You want to go in? Because I don't want to take off my shoes. Mama! Want to wait for Daddy? Whoa! So cool! Is she? Oh, there she goes. Woo! Oh my gosh! Was that fun? Yeah. You couldn't get...
She's great to go on that.
I know. What? She kept on falling down the slide. She couldn't go up the stairs.
Go to the next one. Good. That was fun.
Whoa! Did you like it?
Did it.
Zay, did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You kept falling up the stairs.
I was like this and
Yeah, you were like that. I saw your hands.
Make sure you hold on to it too.
Woo! Zay?
Hi, girls. Hey, make sure you hold on to it. Zay, say cheese, girls.
Cheese! Hey, record them. Record my 6 on my phone.
this. Sissy, like this.
You see. This ride was my worst. This ride was my worst nightmare when I was a child. Y'all wanna get ice? You want icy? Yeah. Okay. We have to leave now. Zay's throwing a tantrum. Look at her knees because she fell from throwing a tantrum. Right, Zace? Oh, yeah, I think I said.
You need a back girl?
Maybe.
You need a back girl, Sissy?
Remember, we're gonna get ices. But good girls get ices, right?
Yeah.
Only good girls get icy?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
What a bad girls do.
Nope, not yet.
Let's go.
You guys, we walked so far. This place was packed. There's no parking. Ew, I don't like the way I look with no lashes on. Fun?
Yeah.
You have fun, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You got your seatbelt on?
Oh, huh?
I said, "Oh, my seat."
We're gonna go get icy now. Put your seatbelt on.
You got it?
I did.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
Jump.
What is that face? Oh, now you're on camera. Now she makes a smiley face. Okay.
She got a good look at her too.
She literally went like this. She's like all mad. No, the camera's on her. She's like all happy. All right. So update. We are leaving the pumpkin patch. Till next year. Pumpkin patch. Bye bye. Pumpkin patch. Go, mama. Say bye bye. Pumpkin patch.
Bye, Papa Patch.
We're going to Target to get the girls' ices, and we have to get groceries. And when am I not at Target? Every single vlog we're at Target. I think like every single vlog or every other vlog we're at Target. All right, so I'll update you guys when we get to Target. What do you see?
Target.
Target.
That way?
Target.
I
That way?
can't see it. I can't see
That way?
it. I can't.
I can see it right now.
What do you guys want from Target?
I see.
Sissy, what do you want from Target?
I see it. It's a, no?
You want a red one or a blue one?
Blue one.
Blue one?
Blue one.
I want a red one and a blue one too.
You want a red one, blue one too? Yeah?
Say icy or no?
I see a blue.
You want icy or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Literally the things we have to do for these girls. The cart and everything. Oh, baby. Show me your icy. What do you got?
The blue and red.
You got blue and red, huh? And you, Zace? What do you have?
The blue is
You have blue?
the blue.
Cute. Copy. The best. Never know what hairspray to get. Oh, you scared me. Never know what hairspray to get. This argan oil is bomb for your hair. Where's the Herbal Essence one? I think that's my favorite one. Is the Herbal Essence one because it smells good and it doesn't harden your hair. Uh-oh, pee-pee?
Pee.
Oh no. You go pee-pee? Are you sure?
Yeah, she's sure.
Oh, you sure? Yeah. Okay, let's. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, guys, we made it, right? Huh, Susie? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yay, we made it. We made it, guys. Barely, but we made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Yay, let's go. Okay. Oh, this is a heavy door. Yeesh. And we are done with Target. Yay! Oh. Oh, good one, girl. Oh, she's asleep. Ah, she got you. Okay, time to go home
Yay.
and chillax. Why'd you get bread?
The girls.
Oh, yeah. We're going home. No, don't put your mouth on that. Don't put your mouth on that. Hey,
Get her down.
okay, look at her.
Thomas, get down. Come on. Look.
Ariel.
No, get down. We're going to the car.
Inside we go.
Marshmallow stuff, please.
Yes, I'll put this marshmallows on. Put your sipot on. Cold icy in this cold weather. You got it? Here. Let's go.
We're ready to go home.
So, you, she was.
Oh, no.
Marshmallow song.
Alright, I'll update you guys when we get home.
Walk your fine ass out the door and do your
Alright, well, let me update you guys. So, just got back home. Well, we didn't just get back home. We got home a little bit ago, and I let the girls play on the tablets for a little bit, for like 10 minutes. Anthony made us some chicken. He made it in the air fryer. He's obsessed with the air fryer. And now it is time for the girls' bed because, I mean, it's 9 now. They always go to bed like at 8:45, 9. And when they go to bed, it is our alone time. So, yeah, that's about it.
Mommy,
Yes.
see this one. To go to sleep. She
She's
doesn't
one of
want
those.
No.
Oy, oy, oy. Let's see. Sissy, it's sleeping time.
Green's got a beautiful orange hat.
Outside. Sleeping time, sleeping time. Look at your little, oh, look at my girls. So cute. What is happening?
Tired?
He's tired.
You know, creepy.
Let's go.
Sleeping time, sleeping time. Hey everybody, it's sleeping time, sleeping time. Oh, it's gonna get dark because we don't have. Look at what she got. What is it, baby?
My red
You got your numbers, huh?
mamas.
You got your numbers 6, 7, and 8. Wow, good job. Alright, Zays. Time to go to sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Love you, girls.
Love you, baby. Say good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night. Love you, baby. Love you, guys. Alright, and that is what we do. Sleep, train your kids. Sleep, train your kids, everyone. We did not do it with our first child. Did it with our second child. The best thing ever. I have a hive on my leg.
Mosquitoes.
No, this one's a hive. Oh no, maybe it is a mosquito actually.
Mosquito season.
No, but I never get bit by bugs. I don't. I'm indestructible. Alright, well, I'm going to end up ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on your post notifications because we all know that YouTube is screwing everyone out here, okay? And they're not telling people when someone is uploaded. I don't know. Anyways, so if you are subscribed, then you already know. Thank you for watching another vlog with your favorite girl with the pink hair. You already know, okay? And like I said, if you don't know, then make sure you subscribe. subscribe. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Baby, how you feeling?